I'm Brandy. I'm 35 and I'm from Eugene, Oregon. I came in for a breast lift with implants. After losing a significant amount of weight, I lost a lot of fullness in my breast. I was looking to feel more confident in my skin. When I was starting to pick out a surgeon, I was talking to my friends. I take word of mouth pretty seriously. I talked to my friend. She came and got a breast augmentation here as well, and she loved it, and she said that Dr. Neaman was amazing, so made everything so comfortable. And I had my consultation, and I couldn't imagine going anywhere else. I talked to a few surgeons, and it just wasn't comfortable. It wasn't as safe and welcoming as Dr. Neaman made it. It really felt like Dr. Neaman was the next step in the process to make me feel like me again. I came in wanting one thing. He quickly and nicely and respectfully explained why that is not what we're going to do, because that would not provide me with the outcome that I wanted, and I couldn't be happier that I listened to him and got the results that I wanted. The morning that I arrived at Neaman Surgery Center for my procedure, I was really nervous. They made me feel immediately comfortable and welcomed. I wasn't 100% sure what to expect. I'd never been under, I've never had surgery, and everyone was so friendly. I just felt like everybody was my best friend. I was really put at ease as soon as I got here. Having the breast lift and implants procedure at Neaman Plastic Surgery has been amazing. My day-to-day life, I feel so much more comfortable in dresses. I feel really confident walking into a room. It's been amazing. I absolutely would recommend Neaman Plastic Surgery to anyone and everyone. I get comments all the time, and the first thing I say is, "Thanks, Dr. Neaman did it." And then I send them the link to the website. So I definitely would recommend them to anybody for any procedure.